How to record voice on your laptop for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So first you will need to click on the Start menu and then search for Voice Recorder, which is a default Windows application. And for Windows 11 it's called Sound Recorder. Click on it to open the application. Now you should see a microphone icon. When you click on it, you should see these circles right here. When they are moving like this, that means it's picking up sound and it's recording your voice. And if it's not working for some reason, or it's not picking up any voice, it should be stable, like what you're going to see right now. Now, when you finish recording, you should click on this square button to stop recording, and you should find your recordings right here, including the date when this was recorded. Now, if you right click on it, you can rename it. You can open the file location to see where the audio is. You can also share it if you want to copy the file directly, or you can share it to other apps such as Discord, Telegram, and stuff like that. You can also right click and delete it if you want to get rid of this recording. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if this was helpful, and see you in the next one.